So before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver and you want to make an extra $100 extra per month, there's a company called Play Octopus that will send you a free tablet to put in your car. You just have to use our link below. You put the tablet in your car, your passengers can play games, and you as a driver make an extra up to $100 per month. Sign up for Play Octopus with the link down below. It's free to sign up. They're pretty much nationwide now, so use the link, start making an extra $100 a month, and let's get started. Uber and Lyft drivers can make more money.
Yeah, these are apps you need to know about, guys, if you're a Lyft driver.
Yeah, and the very first one, guys, is Play Octopus. What's Play Octopus, Izzy?
So Play Octopus is this tablet you can get completely for free that you put in the backseat of your car so that passengers can play games on it. There's like trivia questions. You can also make a little profile just telling your passengers about you. There's ads, so they can actually win prizes from playing games. And then you also get money. You can actually earn up to an extra $100 per month just by having this tablet in your car, this free tablet in your car.
Yeah, drivers who use this love Play Octopus. Like, I would say most drivers who use Play Octopus, they love it because they make more money and it provides a better experience. Passengers are like, oh, this driver cares way more about his job, so I'm going to tip him more. I've used Play Octopus driving for Lyft. My passenger tipped me like $5, who like, come on, you're getting a $5 tip from a passenger. That's very rare. After they play Play Octopus, they're like, that was the best ride I've ever had. I'm throwing you 5 stars, $5 tips. So, yeah, and they have a great community too.
Yeah.
I even went to one of their driver parties. They threw a party in Anaheim, and they gave us all free Jack in the Box. Granted, I didn't eat the Jack in the Box because I don't eat that junk, but I do think it was a nice gesture, and it was fun. I got a free T-shirt. I met a bunch of other drivers, and I met the team. It was cool. It was a fun time. So check out Play Octopus, link below, and let's check out the other apps. Here are apps that can help you make more money. Google Maps. Oh yeah. Come on, let's get to the juicy ones. Here we go. Mileage and expense tracking. Solo, guys. Gotta use Solo, right?
Yeah, Solo is the best one, honestly. That's what I think anyways.
Yeah.
Solo, not only can you track your miles with Solo and expenses, but they also have guaranteed pay for drivers. Yeah. And they'll help with like taxes too.
Yeah, so this is the pay guarantee. You basically clock in for one of these things. And if you don't make that dollar amount, like look at this one, $22. Let's say you go out and you only make 16. They're really going to cover the difference and pay you $6 extra.
Yeah.
Or this one here, $25 in that 1 hour. This one, $29. I mean, this is like pretty good.
Yeah.
Because a lot of times, at least when I drive Uber, some hours you don't make that much money, and some hours are really good. Like some hours I'll get literally like a ride down to San Diego. Yeah, you're making $60 in that hour. But like, then later on, they might be super slow. You might have a passenger cancel on you, whatever. And sometimes it's like, or there's like really low paying rides. So you're trying to wait for a big ride and they never come, or there's just no rides. Sometimes you're just waiting. There's 0 rides.
Yeah.
And you make like $6. So to have Solo, like they'll literally pay you $23 if you only make $6. Like, yeah. So
that's crazy.
When you use our link below to sign up, you will get $10. They will literally send you $10 for signing up for free.
Mm-hmm.
And it looks like they're expanding a lot now. Actually, this is just the guaranteed pay one, but the normal app is available nationwide. The free app nationwide. Sign up, get your $10 anywhere in the country. This is for the guaranteed pay stuff. I hope they come to Cali soon, so I can start using them.
Yeah.
There are other ones to track your miles. Hurdler, MileIQ. You can use a calculator for free.
Calculator app.
QuickBooks. This is actually really good, guys. QuickBooks might be worth it. It's only $10 a month. QuickBooks is really good to help you prepare for taxes because it helps you literally create your books, which is like basically your accounting. So if you're into math and numbers, I would honestly just consider getting QuickBooks, and it helps you track your earnings, expenses. But actually, you know what? Solo does help you with taxes stuff. Let's go to this. So now that I think about it, like Solo is basically a better version of QuickBooks, but for drivers.
Okay.
Because if you're a normal business owner, you're not an Uber driver, whatever, you have a little small business, you know, a photographer, you're a model, whatever, freelancer, you gotta use something like QuickBooks to help you with your taxes and your expenses, so you don't owe a ton of money in taxes. But Solo really does it for you. Like it has automatic income tracking, income reports, tax deductions, tracking your miles. Solo is incredible, my friends.
Yeah.
Check it out. And, you know, they literally paying you to sign up, $10 because they're a new company. Okay, let's see what else. Rideshare. Oh my gosh. You know, I used to work for this company.
Oh, really? What did you do for them?
That's funny that they even have Rideshare on this list. They went bankrupt.
Oh.
Yeah, but I was on their team.
Oh,
I
cool.
did literally business development. I was a business development manager there.
Oh.
And I was like their it's like so fun. I feel like I'm doing an exposed video on Ryder. But there was two of us who worked in America, the founder and me.
Mm-hmm.
And I found him because I reached out to Ryder for a sponsorship for the Rideshare Hub.
Oh.
And it was just starting Rideshare Hub. It was brand new, and I had made some videos and whatever. I was like, oh yeah, I'm like Uber driver, whatever, Lyft driver, and I have this channel about rideshare. Like, you want to sponsor us? And he's like, no, but we have a position open, and you'd be a good fit. So I worked for them for like 6 months.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and then yeah, they ended up going bankrupt.
Damn. That kind of sucks. I don't know. Startups are hard.
Yeah, it was like some investors, and they didn't end up renewing. They didn't end up investing. They were just like some really rich people, I think like multi-millionaires or billionaires investing, and they're like, oh, we have 10 other apps just like you. We're going to stop giving you money. That was basically what happened.
Oh.
Gas apps, Gas Buddy. Yeah.
Yeah, you can get like rewards or like cash back with those when you buy back gas.
The important thing, guys, is we have a list of all these apps in our description. So you can go sign up for all of them if you want, or go check them out. We do update the descriptions, so all the ones down there should be pretty up to date. I even go back to the old videos and update those too. So obviously I can't get to all of them because there's like over 1,000, but go check out the description box.